Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I have several little items to share with you. A lot of home stuff, a lot of random stuff, and then some fun stuff like always. So to get started, I did get some home items. I did grab some toilet paper, a pack of paper plates. My favorite dish soap is the Palmolive Soft Touch Almond Milk and Blueberry scent. I repurchase this all the time. It's great. Great. Another repurchase is the Sunbeam batteries. So I have a AA and a AAA, and I always repurchase those. A new purchase, except I have purchased light bulbs in the past there, but I've never purchased the decor globe from Dollar Tree, and these are from Sunbeam, and they're soft white. There's one in each, so I got 2 of those for our bathroom light. I did pick up some Assured brand allergy relief, and this is the all day one, and they compare this to Zyrtec, and I just needed a non-drowsy allergy medicine, and this is a 24-hour relief of indoor and outdoor allergies. So I grabbed that. Some bath items I found. I did pick up the kids foaming bubble bath in watermelon. I love this bubble bath. It's great. It suds. It lasts a long time in the bathtub, and it smells like watermelon. And you get 20 fluid ounces for $1, and it works fantastic for bubble bath. I did pick up another one of the White Rain coconut and hibiscus active botanicals moisturizing conditioner. I like to use this to shave my legs instead of shave cream or shave gel. It just works really good, especially in the summer, and you can kind of dry shave using that. You don't have to have any kind of water or anything. You won't get any razor burn or cuts. And then in the makeup aisle, this is an essential for me. I needed cotton balls, and these are Assured brand. You get 100 cotton balls in here, and I love these for removing nail polish, makeup, applying witch hazel. So many different uses, and I always repurchase those when I need them. Connor did pick out the dogs some stuff at Dollar Tree, Oscar and Cujo, and he just loved this green bone, and it has a squeaky in there, a paw print. He did pick up one about a month or so ago, and Oscar loves to destroy them, so I needed a new one. And then he picked out the K9 Carryouts beef and cheese flavored doggy snacks for his doggies. I did pick up one candle, and this is from the Old Williamsburg Candle Company, and the scent of this is Cookies and Cream Gelato, and it smells really nice. Has a nice plastic lid, a lot sturdier than other candles in the past from them. Smells very nice. And they're usually only about 3-ounce candles, but for $1, you really can't beat that. Sometimes their scents are very nice and linger, have a really good throw to them, some of them, and some of them not, but for $1, you really can't beat it. Fall decor item, and I got a white pumpkin, and it just has like a white flower on there with some green, yellow, and oranges little berry things on there, and I just thought that would be cute to add with my green and orange pumpkins that I already have there like this. Just additional shelf filler. I like that pumpkin. Then I did pick up some Halloween crafty kind of things for Connor. Did get the pumpkin. They had a ton of the stuff. They had skulls, they had pumpkins, haunted houses, witches, ghosts, tons of stuff, even like Thanksgiving fall kind of themed crafts. But I just picked up 2 today, and this is the pumpkin. You get 3 paints in there, and you get a paintbrush to go with that. And I just love this kind of crafty stuff. And for $1, comes with everything, and you're ready to go. And then I did pick up, they had a cat, pumpkin, and I believe a witch in this, and this is a pinata craft kit, and he likes Frankenstein, so we got the Frankenstein kit. I thought that was really neat, and he'll probably have lots of fun doing this particular craft. Fun stationery stuff. This is just a doodle pad, but I like this because you get 60. They also had smaller doodle pads, and they also had sketchbooks that were spiral like a notebook, that had the wire on there, spiral notebook sketchbooks, which were actually neat. They had 50 sheets in them, but they were about half the size of this doodle paper. So we just picked up one of those, and we did get back to school stuff for Aiden. One item before we show that stuff, this is a back to school item, and it's just one of those food 3D pencil cases. I thought that was actually really neat. So some back to school stuff. We did pick up back to school stuff at Walmart as well, and you'll see that in the Walmart haul. I got a 2-pack of Jot brand scissors. These are for kids, and I figured Aiden can have a pair, Connor can have a pair. We also picked up a 24-pack of Jot brand pencils. These are real wood, number 2 lead, latex-free erasers. 24 of them for $1. Some of these little different colored erasers, and this is also from the Jot brand. You get 6 in here. They're latex-free erasers, and they're no smudge. I don't know about all that, but thought these might come in handy. A few more back-to-school items. They had these pencil cases also, and this is the last dinosaur case that I saw. It's also 3D, and I thought that was really neat. And then to go with that, we found, and they only had one of these as well, the dinosaur binder. So it's just a basic 3-ring binder, no pocket holders in there. It's just 3-ring binder, and you have the dinosaurs. And to go with that, they had the pencil pouch. So all 3 of these items go together, and that's the only print, or the only 3 things I found in the dinosaur print. I wish they'd had like pencils to match and everything. I thought that was a really cute, neat thing, and I think that Aiden will really like that. A few more items. I did find these labels in the back to school section, and they remind me of like the brown kind of crafty sticky notes that they had at one point. You get 50 in here from Jot brand, and I thought these would be really awesome for planners. You could cut these in half. You could definitely use the squares, the ovals, and I just love this concept, so I thought that I would pick those up because I've been doing stuff in the planner again, and finally was able to find stickers as well for planners. And they had 3 different packages to choose from, maybe a 4th at my DollarTree, but this is the only one I was really interested in. Like appointment, remember this, good day, don't forget, reminder. It has like birthday stickers and other little things, and today stickers. You get 300 stickers for $1 from Jot brand, and it has all these little cute flags, little circle stickers, to do, busy, and more reminder and don't forget, and more little tab kind of like sticker flag things. And I thought this pack was really neat. You get these also really cute Jot brand stickers, and I thought these would be perfect for planner as well. 61 in here. Has like to-do list, this week, little banner flag stickers, don't forget, more flowers, oval stickers, to do, important, family, remember, stickers. So I thought that was really neat for planners. And then the last thing that I did pick up was also for planners. You get 47 in this planner pack, and just floral stuff for planners. Absolutely beautiful. They had about 4 different ones of these to choose from as well. They had like a Valentine's Day kind of theme one with like pears and stuff, and I believe they had like another real girly one, but I was only interested in these 2 packages here, and they are just absolutely beautiful. So that is everything I got from the DollarTree haul today. Hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more hauls as well as a ton of other videos, and don't forget to check the description box for additional DollarTree links. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you always for watching.